Hello there, grade, and welcome to Grammar for today. Today we are going to be looking at Ellie's Christmas tradition, and we're going to be looking at pronouns. Remember, pronouns are nouns that replace a noun, and nouns are people, places, or things. So some examples of pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, they, and all of those are pronouns. We're going to read through Ellie's story about her Christmas tradition, and for each underlined pronoun, we're going to write the noun that replaces it. Let's go ahead and begin. Make sure that you are following along on Class Kick with me. Ellie's Christmas tradition. My family has a fun Christmas tradition. We bake cookies and go caroling. Who is we? What is the noun that pronoun is showing? It's family. Go ahead and type in family. Let's keep going. Last year, we baked 15 dozen cookies. They were delicious. What is they? The cookies. Go ahead and type that out. Cookies, plural. My mom said that this year we are going to try a new recipe. She found the recipe in Grandma's old cookbook. Who is she? Mom. It is a recipe for vanilla dream cookies. What is it? That's the recipe. Give you a second to catch up. And we are in section 3. My grandparents both love to bake too. They are going to join us and help bake cookies this year. Who is they? Grandparents. My sister and I asked my grandpa if he would go caroling too. So this story is about Ellie, so I refers to Ellie. And he asked my grandpa if he refers to grandpa. Now it gets a little tricky on this one. Grandpa said, maybe, but only if you bring along the cookies. Who is he talking to? Who is the you? Well, it's Ellie and her sister. Number 9, we said you have a deal. And that is also Ellie and her sister. The second part is for you to finish with your families. Now remember a Madlib, you go through and answer all of these blanks before you read through it. And sometimes you might come up with something pretty funny. So try to find a family member, your mom or your dad or someone that's helping you at home, and go through this together. Ask them a noun, an adjective, or have them ask you a noun, an adjective, plural noun, name of a person, and then read through the story by using the recording tool. Use the record tool up here and read through the story and see how funny it ends up. Now here's a quick reminder that a noun is a person, place, or thing. Adjectives describe something. Plural just means more than one, so that would be like cupcakes, more than one. And then verbs are things you can do, action words. Down here it says verbs ending in ing, so that would be like thinking or skating. Once you are finished with this, make sure you've recorded it, and I'll be excited to listen to how funny yours show up.